Hey everyone, Mark here, helping you to keep up to date with all the latest tech info. Welcome back to the channel, Everything Tech. This will be my first unboxing video, so bear with me, be patient, and I hope you do enjoy it. It's the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Star Wars Edition. Very excited about this one. I've been waiting a long time to get this one posted out to me, but it's out here now. Can't wait to get it open and start using it. I hope you enjoyed the video. So let's get right to it. Here it is, the Samsung Note 10 Plus Star Wars Edition. On the front we've got Kylo Ren with the Star Wars logo. Down the bottom we've got some barcode information. Nothing on the left or right side of the box there on the top, and on the back some Samsung blurb information and the Disney logo. Everything else seems pretty clear. As we take off the cover of the box, we see the inner part of Kylo Ren's helmet with the red patch marks. If you've seen the movie, you'll understand. And on the front it says, "I'll show you the dark side." Let's get rid of this cover and we'll get stuck into the main part of the box. As we lift the lid, you'll see Star Wars logo with a few stars inside. On the left here, we've got a leather bound phone case. Embossed logo of Kylo Ren on the outside. Leather in material, pretty high quality, but I think that'll go straight in the cupboard for safekeeping. On the inside, it's got felt with insignia of the Lucasfilm logo inside. Again, yeah, looking pretty nice. On the other bit, the right inside, we've got a tile made of looks like aluminium. Fairly decent in weight there. It's pretty good. Again, it's going to go straight in the cupboard for safekeeping. Really nice. Really good craftsmanship. Excellent. But let's put that aside now because I want to get into the main part of the unboxing. Under the left hand, where the case was, there seems to be some, oh there it is, SIM ejector tool. If we open it up, we might, oh hold on, what's this? I think we've got a silicone case. Yes we do. Thank you Samsung, that's excellent. A little bit of reading material, of course, nobody ever reads that. So yeah, we might just throw that straight in the bin, what do you think? Well, let's put it aside. On the right, doesn't seem to be anything. Nice and easy. But where are they hiding the actual phone part? Let's have a look. Oh, hold on, there's a flap here, looks like. Oh, there it is. And with a nice little pull tab, thank you. Oh, sorry about that, move the box. Anyway, here it is, and there it is. There's the Note 10 Plus and the Samsung Galaxy Buds. Let's move this up so you get a better view. What to do first? Well, let's have a think. We might go with the buds, eh? Here are the buds. Oh, nearly. Quite standard packaging for Galaxy Buds. However, these are in black packaging. As we open them up, they've also got a black case. Looking really, really good. Once we take them out, just white, I guess tape just to hold them together. And just a Samsung on the top. And nothing really underneath. But once we open it up, it exposes that beautiful red colour. Now that looks good. Excellent, really nice. Good job again, Samsung. Let's put these aside. Furthermore, in the box you just get, hold on, what's this? We've just got, along with the earbuds, we've got of course a charging cable, which yeah, looks like good quality. And of course replacement ear seals for the earbuds themselves. Standard issue for all earbuds, but of course in black colour. Let's put that aside. Now let's get stuck into the best part. Come on, let's open up this phone. Alright, here we go, the Note 10 Plus. Let's remove this and let's get this sorted. Pretty standard packaging again, of course in black, just says Galaxy Note 10 Plus on it. As we lift the lid, here we go. There it is, the Samsung Note 10 Plus. Really nice looking phone. Oh, what is this? What nice colour is that? Oh, let's put that aside and quickly see what else is in the box. Standard charging brick, I believe it's a 25 watt charging brick, fast charger, super fast charging. So yep, that's pretty good, pretty standard. And in here we've got, I think, what is this? Yes, it's the SIM to a SIM adapter if you want to transfer some information over, and of course the replacement tips for your S Pen. Let's put that back in, and we'll see what else is in this box. I think it's a charging cable. Yep, just a standard charging cable. Again, good quality from Samsung, and yeah, standard length. Nothing really new there. And of course, tuned by AKG, Galaxy, I guess, earplugs, which are USB Type-C, which is, of course, because we've lost our beloved 3.5mm headphone jack. RIP headphone jack. They were great quality earbuds with the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Yes, they did have a 3.5mm headphone jack on there, but these should be possibly even better quality because they do use USB Type-C, and generally they do produce better sound than the 3.5mm varieties. But yeah, otherwise they're pretty standard issue. With the phone here, it's a beautiful Note 10 Plus on the back there. We've got some red accents on the buttons, matching red accents around the camera array, and of course midnight blue colour with the Star Wars logo on the back. Let's peel off this protector. I don't know if they caught that on the camera, but really exposes an awesome looking colour, midnight blue. It's almost a gloss black, but yeah, just not quite. It's hard to pick up on the reflection. You can see it's very glossy, this back, and I'm sure it's going to be a fingerprint magnet. First thing I need to do then is clean the back of the phone and get it straight in my case so that we don't get too many fingerprints on it and make the phone look unsightly, as it were, and keep it looking really in tip-top condition. Samsung make great phones, they design great phones, and I'm expecting this to be nothing different. As we start it up, we're going to get the standard introduction, Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, powered by, or secured by Knox and powered by Android. What I'm going to do is I'm going to let it start up. You'll see the Kylo Ren helmet appear, and that's something different and looks really good. But what I'll do is I'll get it started, set it up, and then come back and we'll start the process once again. Okay, we're back. As you can see, I've cleaned the desk up a bit so we get a good view of the phone. I'm just going to start this phone back up. You should see the same messages, of course. No change there. Just waiting, and we're expecting then the Kylo Ren helmet to come back. There it is. And finally, we'll get to the initial page where I get to put in my PIN. There it is. I need to swipe up. I'm going to put in my PIN. I'll blur it out, of course, because I don't want you to see my PIN. And starts up. You'll see the Stormtrooper helmet there. And the phone is now booted up. Nice and quick, actually. The default theme, of course, is Star Wars, so all the standard apps are slightly different on Star Wars themed versions of the standard apps there. This, of course, is running Android 9 Pie. It hasn't yet been updated to Android 10. It runs very smooth though, and you've got to be pretty happy the way it runs. And have a listen to this. So when you're extracting the S Pen, you'll hear, and of course the S Pen matches the accents, and it's a gorgeous red colour. And of course when you're stowing the S Pen, you'll hear, it's those little extras Samsung added to give the user a really good experience when using this phone. Dragging down the notification shade, you'll see you've still got the red accents, keeping with the theme. But otherwise, all in all, this is looking like a really good phone, complete package. It's not too out there to make it look ugly or gawky. It's just subtle enough to be quite beautiful. Yes, look at that. Fantastic. Pressing the side button, you'll get the standard shutdown menu selections. And press that twice and you'll see that final little bit of touch that Samsung's added in. The stars as you're going into hyperspeed. Well, that concludes our first unboxing video on the channel. I hope you liked it. But if you did, don't forget to hit that like button. If you loved it, smash that subscribe button. And if you want to be notified every time I post up a new video, don't forget to hit that bell icon. Otherwise, I'm going to leave you now to it. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.